Hello students, today we are going to learn types of operators. Operator can be of different types based on the kind of operations they perform, like arithmetic operators, string operators, assignment operators, Boolean operators. Okay, so first we are going to start our arithmetic operators. It is used to perform a basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, it is also divided in the two parts, unary operators and binary operators. Unary operators are those operators they operate on only one operand. Okay, like here we are taking that a is equal to 10 and I am writing here minus a, that is written minus 10. So at this place it is a unary operator. Why? Because it's required only one operand. Okay, or plus a, that's 10. Okay, so this is unary operator. Now the next binary operator. These operators operate on two operands, like here I am taking one more variable, a is equal to 20. Now my one variable is a equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and I am writing here a plus b 30. Okay, so here plus is a binary operator working on two variables, okay, a and b. So it is a binary operator. In the same way, if I will write here a minus b, then it's again a binary operator. Okay, why? Because it's work on the two operands, a into b, that's 200, a divided by b, that's 0.5. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operators. Okay, when any operator require two operand, that means it's a binary operator, and if it's working on only one operand, that's the unary operator. Okay, now the next I am taking here a is equal to suppose 7 and b is equal to taking 3. Okay, now a more sign than b. Okay, this percentage, it is called a mod sign to find the remainder. Okay, this is used to find the remainder, a mod b, that's remainder is 1. Okay, 7 divided by 3, that's remainder is 1. And if you want the floor division, then you can use a double slash b. Okay, then it's written 2. Okay, it's written 2. Why? Because this divide by 2 times. Okay, 7 divided by 3, that goes in the 2 time. 3 to the 6 and the remainder is 1. So this percentage symbol written remainder, it is called mod sign, and this is floor division. And if you want the exponential, like here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 and a double asterisk b, then it's written 8. Okay, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 3 and a double asterisk b, then is 27. Okay, so it is a exponential. So basically these 7 operators used in the arithmetic operators category. Okay, always remember this: plus, minus, into, divide. Okay, I'm writing here plus, minus, into, and divide. These four basic mathematics operator. Double slash for floor division, and this is for remainder, percentage, that's some mod symbol, and 2 times asterisk, that's return your power. Okay, you can write the program to calculate x to the power n with the help of this exponential. Okay, so now we are going on the next, string operators. In the Python, we can use only two types of operations to perform on the string data type. Okay, either we can join two strings with the help of plus operators, or we can replicate a string multiple times with the help of asterisk symbol. This one. Okay, asterisk symbol only. So we are going to take one example here. I am taking hello, a is equal to hello, and b is equal to Mr. J. Okay, two string I am taking. When I will write here a plus b. Okay, so it will join my string hello Mr. J without any space. Okay, if I want any space, then a plus single quote, give one blank space or two space, then plus, and b. Now see, that's hello space Mr. J. Okay, this space comes with the help of this single quote. We are giving here space. Okay, so now on the next, if I will write here a asterisk symbol, then b. Okay, if a and b are having the integer value or float values, then it will multiply. Okay, the simple mathematical operation will execute here, but at this time here a store a string and b also stored that string. Okay, so what we can do here, this may tag the error or some output. Okay, error. Why? Because a contain the string and b is also containing the string, and you can't use asterisk symbol with two strings. Okay, we can use plus symbol with the string, but we can't use this asterisk symbol with both the strings. Okay, when a and b both are string, so we can't use it. Always remember this. This required at least one integer. Okay, here I am writing a into 3. Okay, now see, hello hello hello, 3 times hello. Okay, or I will write here 3 asterisk a, then again hello hello hello. Okay, this 3 times it repeat the value of a. Either you may write a into b, or sorry, a into 3 or 3 into a. Okay, but at least one integer it's required with a string. Okay, either first one integer or second one integer, so it will replicate your string number of times. Okay, so these two operations we can perform in the string category. There are two operators, plus and asterisk. Now you can try one program. Take one name as an input from the user and repeat 5 times. Okay. Now the next is assignment operator. Assignment operator is simple equal sign. Like here a is equal to 20, so equal, this is your assignment operator. Okay, that assign the value in the variable. Okay, either in the numeric format or in the string format. Okay, this equal sign is used for the assigning the value in the variable. We can write this b is equal to a into 3. Okay, now b, that's the value 60. Okay, now here a into 3, the value of a is 20, so multiply by 3 and assign the result on b. So when we print b, it will return 60. Okay, this is your assignment operator. Either you may write a equal to 20 or you may use any expression. Okay, any formula. In that case also you are using the assignment operator. Okay, now the next is relational operators. These operators compare the value of variables and return the result in the Boolean form, either true or false. Okay, like here a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 60, we know that. Now I want to check a less than b. Okay, a is less than b or not, so it will return true. Got it? It's written true. Why? Because the a is 20 and b is 60. Next operators in this category, that's the greater than symbol. I am writing here a greater than b, so it's a false. Okay, a not equal b, that's a true. A not equal b. When we are comparing not equal, then we have to use this exclamation sign and equal symbol for not equal. And if you are comparing equal to, then use double equal sign for comparison. A double equal b, that's the false. Okay, because a is 20 and b is 60. When we are comparing two variables with equal condition, so you always use double equal sign. Okay, single equal means assignment. Now the suppose we are taking one example here, b is equal to again 20 and I am writing here a double equal b, then it's written true. And I will write here a not equal b, then it's written false. Why? Because a is 20 and b is also 20. Okay, so when we are comparing with equal sign, then use double equal symbol. Okay, and single equal is for assignment, and not equal use exclamation and equal symbol. Okay, now the next is I am using I less than equal to b. Okay, that's again true. Why? It's not less. A is 20 and b is also 20, but a is not less, but equal condition is true, so it's written true, less than equal. And a greater than equal b. Okay, if we want to check conditions greater than or equal to, so use greater than symbol and equal, single equal sign, that's again written true. Greater than is false, but greater than equal to, this equal is true, so it's written true. And if you are using only greater than symbol, then it's written false. Okay, because both values are same. Okay, so these are your relational operators. Again, we are going to revise. One is less than, second one is greater than, next is less than equal to, then greater than equal to, then double equal for equal comparison, then not equal. Okay, these are your relational operators. Okay, that we will use in the conditional statements to compare any condition. Okay, now the next is Boolean operators. It's also called logical operators. It is used to combine two or more condition statements. It's also return result in the Boolean form, either true or false. There are mainly three types of Boolean operators: and, or, on, and not. Okay, how we can use this? Just look here. I am taking this condition. Okay, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 15. Okay, this is. Now first I want to check a less than b, so it's true, and a less than, okay, first check here, a less than b, it's true, a less than b and a less than c. Okay, then it's again true, a greater less than b, a less than b, that's one condition. 10 less than 20, yes, it's true. A less than c, 10 less than 15, it's true, then it's written true. And will return true in only that condition when these two conditions are true. Okay, both conditions must be true in the case of AND operator. Okay, if suppose I will write here a less than b and a greater than c. Okay, so a less than b, that's true, but a greater than c, that's false. 10 greater than 15, it's a false, so it's written false. Why? Because our second condition is false. So in the case of AND operator, all the condition must be true. Okay, here we can use more than one condition. Like in this example we are using two conditions, a less than b and a greater than c. You can go on in the next condition also with the AND b greater than c and a less than b or greater than b. Okay, you can use more than one condition in this, more than one comparison in this statement. Okay, but if you are using AND to compare these two conditions, to merge these two conditions, that means your both condition must be true. Okay, now the next is OR. In the same statement, if I will write a less than b or a greater than c, okay, and the place of AND I am using OR. So in the case of OR, at least one condition must be true, then it will return true result. Okay, if all are true, then it return true. If a single condition is true, then it's written true. If all are false, in that case it will return false. Okay, so here it's written true. Got it? Why? Because A less than B, that's true, that's why it's written true. And in the case of AND, your all condition must be true, then it will return true, like here, A less than B and A less than C. And in the next statement, our one condition is false, then it's written false. Okay. Here if suppose I will write A greater than B or A greater than C, then it's written false. Why? Because both conditions are false. I am writing here A greater than B or A less than C. So it's written true. Why? Because this condition is false, but second condition is true. A less than C. That's true. That's why it's written true. Okay. Now the third one is not. Okay. We are taking one example as A is equal to B, A double equal B. Okay. It's false. Why? Because A is 10 and B is 20. If I will write here not A double equal B, okay, then it's written true. Okay, whatever the result come with this relation, that will change. If this written the true, then this not convert into the false, and if it's written the false, then not convert in the true. Okay, if I will write here A not equal to B, that's true. But if we write not A not equal to B, it's written false. Okay, so whatever the result come from this equation, that will reverse, change. Okay, if it's written true, then it's go on the false, and if it's written false, then not will change in the true. Okay, so in the logical operators we learned and, or, and not, these three. Okay, these three are your logical operators. So do practice of these operators. We will meet in the next video. Bye.